So a while ago, me and my friends were on Discord, and we were just talking about off-brand products. And then one of my friends suggested an off-brand product called World of Thunder. Now this is a off-brand product of War Thunder. And I thought this was a hilarious idea, so I made a cover image for World of Thunder. And now, I still think it's a good idea, so let's make it into a real game. Let's start off by creating a new Unity project. Alright, so we need a menu. Boom. We got some text. And with just a little magic, we got some buttons for a menu. But I think we're missing something. Like maybe a cover image. Perfect. Now I just do a little scaling magic. Organization. There we go. We got a great main menu. So for this part, I want some images scrolling by, so I will need a video. So let's go edit that video. Okay, so for this video, I'm using Blender to edit it. I'll put a Blender tutorial that I made in the card above. But I have a bunch of pictures that I'm going to have. So let's just see if I can do that. And I know there's an MP4 right here. We don't want that because that's just something else. Okay, let's just see what happens if I drag it in. How much will it lag? 117. Wait. No. Do I have to put each photo in individually? So, update on that video editing thing. I was done and I was just moving a couple of clips over, and then Blender crashed and I didn't save the project. So now I have to restart. And we're finally back in Unity. And we have our video after a lot of work. But now we can watch our video and you can see that it plays. Now I'm gonna just do a little bit more UI. One quick UI session over. We have Savia, which is a fictional country with fictional texture because I want more content. We have Earth, which is real vehicles. I couldn't find enough American vehicles or German vehicles to just smush them all together. And then we have our shooting range. It is now day 2 of the World of Thunder development. And last night I got the Savian tech tree done. So we have all our vehicles, and the little circles in the corner is what class they are, and we can see our classes here. So now we just have to do the actual real vehicles, or the Earth vehicles. Also, last night I made the World of Thunder Discord server. So we have our dev stuff, which with dev logs, which I'm going to be posting videos here. Talk to the devs, dev stream, dev news, in-game stuff, so if you have a question or a bug or any pictures. We have general, we have vehicle requests, which you can ask me what features or vehicles you actually want in the game. You can also do that in the comments below of the YouTube videos. Then we just have a gaming session and just voice chats and just an AFK, because yes. So join the Discord server, and there's going to be a link in the description below. So this has been the first World of Thunder devlog. If you want to keep up with the project, just keep watching the videos. Also, if you want me to add a specific vehicle, let me know in the comments or the official World of Thunder Discord, link in the description. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more great content, and I'll see you in the next video.